Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to vlog, and this is my second day. Yay! I'm so excited to vlog for you guys. I can't promise that I will do daily vlogs, but I will try to vlog more often. And this is my second day and I'm wearing the same maxi dress from yesterday. I don't know if it's just me or you guys as well, but I don't like to change my home clothes too often. I just like to change it in 2 to 3 days, and yeah, because I don't do much at home, and it's all right. And yeah, I just woke up. Now I'm going to eat my breakfast. And तपाईहरुलाई हिजोको vlog कस्तो लाग्यो? If you liked yesterday's vlog, please let me know. I really tried my best to film in a fun way. If you guys go and watch that video, you guys will know. So if you did like that video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below or on that video. And yes, I went shopping. I met my friend yesterday, and I didn't show you the stuff outside the box, so I will try to show you that, because while filming the haul quickly yesterday, I just showed you the box. But I know many of you guys would like to see what the product looks like, because हामीले चाहिँ किन्दाखेरि बक्सामा चाहिँ फोटोशप एडिटिङ गरेर राखेको हुन्छ, एन्ड रियल लाइफमा चाहिँ त्यस्तो हुँदैन. तर मैले हिजो किनेको प्राय जसो सामानहरु चाहिँ I was very satisfied, अनि quality was really good and it worked really nicely. So yeah, I would like to show you my heater first. Just a second. Yeah, so this is the heater, guys. As you guys can see, यो हिटर चाहिँ यसरी पनि राख्न मिल्छ, लाइक सिधा गरेर अनि यसरी सुताएर नि राख्न मिल्छ. एन्ड इट्स रियली गुड क्वालिटी एन्ड भेरी नाइसली मेड. यो चाहिँ फलामको हो. नर्मली आई डोन्ट नो के को हुन्छ, तर इट्स रियली नाइस, वेल मेड. अनि यहाँ यसको सेटिङहरु छ. यो फ्यान वाला हो, चिसो हावा आउँछ. यसले चाहिँ समरमा पनि युज गर्न मिल्छ. That's why I like this kind of fan heaters. You can use it as a fan. अनि यो चाहिँ 1000 watt को हो. यो लेभल चाहिँ ठिक्कको तातो आउँछ. अनि यो चाहिँ 2000 watt को हो. एकदमै तातो आउँछ. अनि यसबाट चाहिँ सेटिङहरु मिलाउन मिल्छ, कतिको लेभलको गर्ने, तातो गर्ने कि ठिक्कको गर्ने. So it's a very nice flat fan heater. I just love it. Only $10.99 and it's worth buying, guys. I love it. By the way, I also would like to show you this one. This is a candle holder, which is a gift from my sister-in-law Usha. She bought a house recently and she came to visit me. I gave her a little present, and while she came to meet me, she bought me this little present, and it's so colorful and looks very pretty in my dining room, in my dining table. Yeah, I love it. It's winter time, so I'm drying some of my clothes right here because it's so gloomy outside and it's freezing. It sucks, guys. But my husband, he's planning to buy tumble dryer soon, so I don't think we will be drying our clothes like this, but for now it works. So मैले तपाईहरुलाई मेरो हिटर देखाए, अनि मेरो सिस्टर इन लले मलाई ल्याइदिएको क्यान्डल होल्डर पनि देखाए, and I will show you the storage and other stuffs in a bit, because I'm so hungry, to be honest. It's already 8:30, but I didn't eat. It's bad, I know, but I am trying to eat healthy and on time, but I'm a little bit late today, so I'm gonna go and eat some food. So यो चाहिँ हो मेरो हिजो किनेको मुला. And what I'm trying to do today is I'm gonna make some delicious mulako moleko achar, and I will definitely upload the recipe for this one as well. I can't promise, but I'm planning to do so. If I don't, please don't mind, guys. And this is my pork. What I do with pork and meat is म किन्छु हैन, अनि त्यसपछि त्यसलाई चाहिँ I put it in the deep freezer so the meat remains fresh and good. Cause your 24 January सम्म मात्रै को date छ. Most of Nepali people, they like to buy meat in bunch and then put it in the freezer for later use. So yeah, right now I'm just thinking what to eat for breakfast. So just a second guys, I will be back soon. So I decided to eat a tomato omelette. I don't know if this is a thing or not, but recently I love tomatoes, like raw tomatoes, cooked tomatoes. I just love it. So that's why I'm making this tomato omelette. 1 egg, half chopped tomato, salt and some chili powder. So right now I'm heating the pan and it's quite hot. So I'm gonna add some oil and then add the omelette. So I'm gonna eat this omelette and some garlic bread. So yeah, it's gonna be yum. So this is my breakfast guys, tomato omelette with garlic bread. I tried a little bit of this tomato omelette and oh my god guys, it's so good. You guys must give it a try. This is my first time trying this recipe and I just love it. I'm gonna eat this every day now. Yay, time to grub. Update guys, I told you guys. What is this? That's my makeup all over the place guys. I have very bad habit. मेरो बानी चाहिँ के छ भने आँखा रब गर्ने बानी छ के मेरो, अनि all my makeup is usually messed up to be honest. But yeah, the update. मैले मुलाको अचारको भिडियो रेसिपी फिल्म गर्ने प्लान गरेको थिए, तर sadly I don't have any lemon juice and I can't make that मोलेको अचार without lemon juice. So I have to cancel the plan. I have mulako achar ko recipe for you guys. It's a different one. It's a fermented wala ho, and this one is like instant mulako achar, you know, molera banaune mulako achar. So I don't have lemon juice and that sucks. So sorry about that guys. So right now I'm chopping my pork belly for my pork curry. So I finished chopping my pork and I'm gonna chop other ingredients and then start cooking. So मैले मेरो भात बसाले अनि मेरो pork fry हुँदैछ, and I'm also gonna make some broccolis, and I have chopped some onion and I'm using canned tomato today. So yeah, cooking some delicious lunch. I almost forgot to cook my dal, and yeah, that's me forgetting things all the time. जे भयो पनि अहिले चाहिँ मैले मेरो दाल बसालेको छु अनि मेरो ब्रोकोली चाहिँ रेडी भइसक्यो अनि पोर्क करी चाहिँ हुँदैछ. अहिले मैले भुट्दैछु रातो गरेर. You guys can see it looks so delicious. So my bhat dal masu is ready. I'm gonna enjoy my bhat dal masu and I will catch you guys very soon. Bhat dal power 24-hour. So guys, this is the storage organizer which I was talking about this morning. I got this yesterday and it's very useful and keeps my makeup and my makeup brushes dust free. So मैले मेरो everyday concealer, foundation अनि eyebrow gel चाहिँ यहाँ राखेको छु, sharpener पनि, mascara त्यस्तो सामानहरु राखेको छु. यहाँ चाहिँ मेरो highlighter, blush, eyeshadow अनि eyebrow pencil, kajal, eyeliner त्यस्तोहरु राखेको छु. अनि तल चाहिँ makeup brushes हरु. Now my makeup brushes will be dust free, which I really like. So that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna chill for today. I'm listening Nepalese music and doing some home chores and stuff. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and catch you guys very soon. Bye.